My name is Girija. I'm a muralist and an artist. I'm in Bangalore for 15 years now, and I've been doing murals for full time for the past 6 years across India, across Bangalore, Pune. I mostly do work with indoor murals for homes and businesses as a full time artist, but I've recently gotten into public art, and I did my first public art in Rishikesh, and this is my second one. Piece is called Swagata, which is welcome in Kannada. When I learnt about conservancy lanes, I could see a different type of people who were helping these people live a very comfortable life, but they were entering through the back doors. And so these back doors really intrigued me. The historic nature of our traditions of coming from the back door and not allowing them to full access. How to put it in a proud manner that these people who inhabited these lanes were welcomed into these houses as well. So I wanted to show welcome somehow, and that's how I realized we can put a namaste at the back. The youngster is like playfully holding a rose kumba, which we use in weddings. And because it's a very traditional place, I like to connect with the people who are here. So I used the traditional wedding attire, traditional wedding ceremony, and the marigolds. And I'm very attracted to marigolds because marigold is only a flower where each petal can become a tree. So it has so much potential. So I want all the youngsters and all the people over here to realize the potential of these lanes as walking spaces to reduce carbon emissions. The mango tree is like why I selected the place. The mango tree is the key feature of the mural. Without it, the mural will not work. This small girl is my daughter, kind of resembles my daughter and myself a little bit, I think. And the young girl is one of the volunteers who have been doing a tremendous job during this program. In this hot sun, they keep visiting several mural sites, serving us water, paints, helping wherever they can. The young girl is holding a rose water thing because it's something to do with smell. Where does smell picture? Because it's sewage and garbage, manual scavengers. When I first started the mural, I didn't notice this pipe. Once I finished this girl, I saw that there is this drainage pipe that's just opening up out to the road. So I realized, let's have these marigolds coming out from the drainage pipe to show that there's beauty to be found anywhere, including conservancy lanes, which were not technically considered the beautiful part of the city. I would wish for people to come forward and donate their walls, especially back walls or side walls, instead of painting them, just in plain colors. The more public art a place has, the more people are incentivized to walk. And wherever in India, if you see some crowd, there will be some performance happening, right? So this is like a performance happening on the walls, all of these mural art. First, I painted the marigolds, and slowly people started coming here every day, 2 times a day, sometimes 3 times a day, just to see how it's going. Elderly couple and aunties and uncles just coming and appreciating my work, and they're like, "You made it look so festive. This is so beautiful." And this whole mural is now like a celebration and like a really traditional welcome of everyone who comes here.